club of faggots.
Alright, so it's another beautiful day. We got the 240 here. And if you guys follow us on Instagram, which you should go do, Instagram will be right here. If you've seen the story, we picked up the new motor. And here it is. The new motor. You guys ready? Bam! It's another single cam. You know me, I can't get over the single cam game. So we're going to be building this motor. Pistons, rods, cam, studs, everything. Gonna be building it. Should be a fun little time. There's nothing wrong with my single cam, but for the 2018 series, I want to make sure that the motor will last throughout the whole entire series. We'll probably bump the boost up just a little, not much, but I want to make sure the motor will last. So I got me a motor to build, and that way we don't have to pull this motor, build it, and then try to figure out where everything goes. We can just pull it and then put this one in right away after we're done building it. So I got this motor, single cam, picked up for $100. It came with a transmission too. Transmission's pretty garbage though, because it's an automatic transmission. I don't really want an automatic, but you know, it's whatever. So we got the single cam motor, 240. But today we're going to strip out the interior of the 240, carpet, seats, everything except for the dash. We gotta strip it out. Why? Because we're getting ready for a roll cage. So all of this, even the door panels, have to come out. Even the seat belts, everything has got to come out. So the dash is going to stay for now. We are going to rip the dash out though and flock the dash later on down the road. Don't know when that'll be, but we're going to do it. So dash is going to come out eventually, but right now all the carpet has to come out. Everything interior wise except for the dash. So, and then Daniel should be on his way, and we're going to weld up an exhaust using my stock exhaust. And we're just gonna see how the rest of the day goes, you know, see what else can happen, what we can film. That's about it, really. Got the Z over there. We do have some big plans for the Z. Bunch of videos coming up on it. So guys, stay tuned if you want to see more on the Z. I know I haven't put it on the channel in a long time. And it's way overdue. So big changes coming for the Z very soon. So let's get started on the 240 build. Tear down once again, and look at all that oil because I blew an oil seal. Don't buy eBay turbos. I bought it just because I only needed it for one event, and it lasted one event. So $200 well spent. Debatable. So I'm gonna get started tearing this out. This is Daniel cutting exhaust with a grinder. Take one. Never even had a grinder really like in my hands before like this, so we're gonna see how this goes. Alright. How do you get it to work? Press that down. There you go. Okay. This way? Whatever way you feel comfortable. Which way is it gonna throw sparks? I don't know. Which way is it spinning? Okay. So it's gonna throw sparks that way now. Okay, so my first time wasn't like super bad. I mean, it's alright, I guess. This side was not as good, but enough to weld with, right? We'll really test Dakota's welding skills. We have to bend it a little more this way. We're looking for the torch right now to heat it up.
Dimes. If I could.
Does it look so far?
Well, it's pretty. That's not bad for a Harbor Freight welder.
You're getting a grinder for Christmas, big fella. So how does all that work? Like, how does it? I guess how do you just slowly go along? Like, I guess
kind of go side to side real slow. You just go down. You always want to weld down. If you weld down, the welds are better. If you weld up, it's harder to weld.
I got you.
Slowly. It's pretty terrible welds, but they'll work.
That's all that we want it to do is just work.
This is not supposed to be structural welds. If this was structural welds, you'd be so don't hit me up for a roll cage because you'll die instantly.
So while he's welding, I'm going to kind of take an inventory of all the parts off of his car I'm about to take. I think I'm going to take the seats. I think I'm going to take the other seat. No, I don't need that. I'll probably take the floor mats. I still got his carpet in, so I won't take it, but I plan on it. What else should I keep from his car? My car is pretty much a piece of crap on the inside. There's absolutely no interior. So let's see. Yeah, we don't have a lot of people that like comment on our YouTube, but we don't really ask for it a lot. But we're working on filling these holes in right now. But once we get them in, we're probably going to put in a little lip spoiler. Just the little one that comes up. But shoot us a comment. What kind of spoiler would you guys like to see? We're planning on replacing the roof on it because it's just screwed in. They're little self-tappers. Not sure why that's even there. False. It's self-tapped in. But just a quick look at my interior. You can see why I would love someone else's. We both have cracked dashes, but 90s JDM cars are kind of that way. I've got the other pair of wheels at home, but these ones were still left over here. I kind of needed them because of this issue, so we're just going to swap them out.
Your sweet JDM exhaust is done.
My sweet JDM exhaust is done.
Yeah, we just got to weld this part up now.
Sick, bro.
So we made these cuts. These are stress cuts. That way we can actually bend the pipe. Because the pipe, we tried to bend it, but it wouldn't bend. So we're making these cuts so we can bend it even more. So it'll fit perfect. I don't want to say perfect, it'll fit.
And this is just a temporary exhaust for now until it gets something better. But right now, you start the car on and everything rattles. With this being this cheap little stuff, it just rattles constantly. At any idle, it won't shut up. So just trying to make it a little bit better of a as best as we can for now, until we're ready to drop something else in it.
Alright, so we have the exhaust welded up onto his car. Not the best welds in the world, they're pretty garbage. But he's gonna start it up.
Dakota Porter, first weld job, start up, take one.
It goes all the way back, so it's straight pipe because you don't have a cat.
Right. Well, but it's not rattling. It's not like rattling everything in here. Oh, that's gonna piss some people off.
Is it a little quieter?
Yeah, because it's not right here.
Yeah.
I'm happy with it.
I got it welded. So here are my booger nasty ass welds. Look at those. Those are gross. But it works. Full straight pipe.
That is straight pipe.
It is a straight pipe. So it's full straight pipe. Headers all the way back. I gotta finish pulling the carpet. This is what I got so far in the 240.
Okay, so for sure changing the tire tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a knot on it.
Off he goes. The welded diff life. Alright, so I got the carpet out. Still got to get all this crap out and pull all the sound deadening. That'll be for the next episode. So stay tuned for all that fun jazz. I need to take the seatbelts out. I need to take this off. I already got it off on that side. And yeah, it's coming along pretty slowly, but you know it's coming. We are going to leave the center console just because I like it. It looks cleaner, and I don't really want to chase down wires and try to figure out what. I don't even know what this is for, so we're just going to leave it. Could be for the air conditioner, even though we're not going to run it. So I'm just going to finish up taking the seat belts out, everything else, and yeah, that'll probably be it for this video. If anybody wants Daniel's muffler, it's got a hole in it, but you know, so that's it for this video. Daniel took my seats because I'm putting racing seats in mine. So Daniel took my seats, gave me his little stock crappy seats. My seats look way better in his car, so you're welcome. If anybody wants these, take them off my hands or else I'm throwing them away. They're pretty trash, so let me know. That's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for 350Z updates right there. Stay tuned for the 240. We'll be doing a dual caliper hydro next, and we'll be building the motor. I have rods for it. I have the studs, head and main studs. I have the bearings, the gaskets. I have everything, timing chain, water pump. Just waiting on the pistons. So stay tuned for those videos. And catch you next time. Peace.